Hello dear student, welcome you all to the art education class Kathak. As we were learning Kathak from the very inception, and we are making a journey toward more of perfection, more of information, more of skills. So, without elaborating this conversation, let's begin with Bhumi Pranam. This is a ritual and this is an art to be followed with lot of determination, lot of concentration, lot of discipline. And as I am imparting this knowledge to you, so I expect the same from you, and I hope you are practicing and you are imbibing this knowledge imbibing this art into your body. So let's begin with Kramal Tatkar followed by Tihar. Tin, ta, den, da, tik, da, den, da, den, da, tik, So today you must have noticed that going through the gradual speed, I mean Kramalaya, there is a new speed I have done today, that is 3. 1 is clear, 2 is clear, and let me tell you once more, when according to the bits we have chosen, that is 16 bit, when it goes bit to bit, so that means it's a goal. And simply I am multiplying the things, multiplying the speed. When I am performing 1 under 1, so that means 1 ones are 1, the result I will be getting 1. And now when I will be multiplying 2 above 1, the constant speed, that means I am multiplying 2, that is my performance, 2 with this 1, and the result I will be getting, the result the audience is going to watch, they will be simply watching that this has gone a little higher speed. That means that effect is coming on the speed. Since I am multiplying always giving you a accumulated or more number of things. It is multiplying. So on under 1, that is constant, that is the time according to the time that I have chosen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way till 16. But it is my choice that I am multiplying. 1, 2, 3. See? This is going, I am performing, I am multiplying with 2. Now the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this way each number is multiplied with 3. Each number is going to multiply with 3 so that it is tingun, and then the next 1, 2, 3, 4. It was multiplying, I was performing 4, and it was multiplied with the constant speed, that is 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is going to be called Chogun. So let's perform once more this Kramala Tatkar. 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 gun, 4 gun, and followed by Tihara. Let's begin. Da, then, da, then, da, tik, na, ten, na, tik, ten, do gun, da, then, da. So this way, this can be increased. In between, this can be performed 5 gun, 6 gun, 7 gun. This is a bit tricky. So just for you, for the beginners, you can start up with this 1 gun, 2 gun, 3 gun. 4 gun and 8 gun is almost same. Simply, you have to raise the speed. So this is the thing to practice in order to grasp the entire skills of Tatkar or Kathak. Today, again I have thought of that I'll be imparting or I'll be teaching you something very interesting, that is, either it can be told Ganesh Paran or Kavitani. It is a paran about Lord Ganesha. It shows the vigor, the hugeness of Lord Ganesha. It's a beautiful poetic expression through the Kathak dance. A beautiful poetic expression of Ganesh Paran. Ganapati Gaja Mukha Mandala Gita Gita Thun Thun Tat Tat Thay Jai Jagavandan Vakratunda Dani Data Began Haran Shubha Karan Dagina Dagi Dhuma Kita Tadu Tak Tagadi Tate Dhuma Kita Tadu Tak Tagadi Tate Dhuma Kita Tadu Tak Tagadi Tate thai da then da di da then la na then na. I'm reading again for you. Then da di ganpati gaja mukha manda gita thun tat thai jai jad vandan prakratun dadi da ta beghan haran shubha karan dagi dhuma kit thadung dagi gadi thai dhuma kit thadung dagi gadi thai dhuma kit thadung dagi gadi thai ta then dadi da then dadi na then na then dha. So before we start some Kavitangi or Ganesh Paran about any god and goddess, the first avartan, before we start the bowl, it's better to take the avartan, do a pranam. Na, then, na, concentrate. Then, dha, ganapati. Gan. This is Ganapati. This is left hand up. Gan. This, see, this you are showing the big ear of Lord Ganesha. Ganapati. Ganapati. You can lift it front also. Ganapati. Done. Ganapati. Gaja Mukha Mandala. Ganapati. Right leg was lifted. Gaja Mukha. Here one ear is here. Gaja Mukha Mandala. This is the Mukti. Gaja Mukha. From the face, you are turning this face to trunk. Gaja Mukha Mandala. None. Again. Ganapati Gaja Mukha Mandala Gita Dinda Gita थुन as if वो धीरे से चाल है जो उनके सवार है मूषक सवार गीटा थुन see these are the words that this is, you can say, it's an abstract form of creating one thing to reaching to the people, those who are watching. They will be again in an abstract form. By watching this dance, they will connect to the related things to Lord Ganesha. That is gite gide thun, as if वो मूषक सवार हैं, मोदक उनके बहुत प्रिय हैं, थुन tat. In between this poetic expression, we will be using some of the phrases or bowls of words of dance. Like here, these words are there: Ganapati, Gaja Mukha Mandala, Gita, thun, tat. This is the dance bowl. Tat. जो पूरे जगत की वंदन करते हैं, जिनको जय जग वंदन। डन। अगेन जय जग वंदन। तक तक थे जय। जयकार with a force, जय जग वंदन, जय जग वंदन। You can do this also, वंदन। Now वक्र तुंड दानी दाता, वक्र ताते, वक्र it's a 12-tongue trunk, twisted trunk, वक्र ताते, वक्र सुंड दानी दाता, बैठना है दानी दाता, विघ्न हरण। And again, here we have to stand. विघ्न हरण, विघ्न वो विघ्न हरता है। कट, this is a posture of cutting it all obstacles. विघ्न हरण, शुभ कर्म धातु में धागे, शुभ शुभ कर्म धातु में धागे, शुभ कर्म धातु में धागे, ताकि किता ताकि काथे, ताकि किता ताकि किता। So again from the beginning, गण गण गणपति गज मुख मंडल गीत 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 धुन धुन तत् तत् थे जय जग वंदन। वक्र, put your ear here, वक्र सुंड, like वक्र सुंड दानी दाता, दाता, विघ्न उठ के विघ्न हरण, शुभ कर्म धातु में धागे, शुभ ताकि तक आदि तक। आरती आरती करना है। Both the hand you can do like this, or one hand you hold this bell and one hand this right hand part diya, as you wish to do this aarti of Lord Ganesha. You are free. This also, or विघ्न हरण, विघ्न हरण, शुभ धातु में धागे। डन। और ये आरती it extends धड़ू धड़ू। अच्छा, उनके आरती and the all elements of Lord Ganesha, it's been choreographed or it's been used in this poetic expression, that is Ganesh Paran. So Dhumakita, 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 this is specifically board of Mridangam or Pakhavat. Dhumakita, Dhumakita. So you are playing Mridangam and उनके बाजा के साथ, दिया के साथ, घंटी के साथ, उनका फूलों के साथ उनका आरती कर रहे हैं। So धूमकीटे धूमकीटे धड़ूंगा डूंगा। और वो कैसे चलते हैं? बहुत स्लो और बहुत ग्रेसफुल चाल है उनकी, जो सूंड हिलाते हुए धूम धड़ूंगा धड़ूंगा। So this is धड़ूंगा धड़ूंगा। ठीक है? फर्स्ट टाइम धूमकीटे धूमकीटे धड़ूंगा धड़ूंगा। This is a bit tricky. Dhumakite, dhumakite, thadum, thadum, takite gadige, takite gadige, takite gadige, takite gadige, takite gadige, takite there in that tatathe you don't have to take chakkar. Again, dhuma kit, thadum ka thadum, ta kit ka dikhe, take, ta take. So that part is a tihai part which is to be repeated thrice. Again, tatathe, dhuma kit, thadum ka thadum. This way, thadum ka thadum, ta kit ka dikhe, ta dikhe, ta dikhe, ra, ta dikhe, ta dikhe, ta dikhe, ta dikhe, ta dikhe. This way you have to part wise. You have to practice. Ta dikhe, ta dikhe, ta dikhe. Done. So ta dikhe, thadum ka thadum, ta dikhe, take. अलग-अलग उनके जो पोस्चर है, tatathe, dhuma kit, thadum ka thadum, ta dikhe, take. Again, take. We'll end up this bowl here in sitting. A bit tough for the beginners, but as I consider you're in the higher classes, so you will try to do this, and I hope I'm quite sure that you will be enjoying while doing it. So I'll be showing once more. As we were doing Ganesh Puran, let's begin again. Gan, gaja, kamanda, gita, tun, ta, jai, jagavan, vakra, sun, dani, data. Nananata, you can do one more add. We can add here. Ta, jai, jagavandhan, vakra, sunda, dani, data. Vakra, sunda, back in. Then dani, data. Here we will be sitting, dani, data. Then turn your body. Thadum ka thadum, ta dikhe, take. Thadum, ta dikhe, take. Thadum, ta dikhe, take. This way, take. All after 5 chakra, take. You have to sit here as this posture. So this was entire Ganesh Puran that today you have learned, and I hope you will be having a great time of practicing this thing, because these things are our heritage and you are the generation that will be holding this culture and this heritage to make it, to move it, to carry it forward. So I hope with this note Wish you a very happy new year, all of you. Stay safe, have a good practice. Till then, bye.